Feeling discouraged because of your teeth, no smiles, no confidence, well, that might change with the help from this local doctor's office. Dr. Alfonso Monarres with Stone Ridge Dental and patient Paula McDonald, we are so happy to have you both here today. Thanks for being with us.
Thanks for having us back.
Yes.
Happy to be here.
Yes, Dr. Monarres, you specialize in implants and changing people's lives. And today you brought with us someone very special, right?
Absolutely, yes. Rather than me talking about it again, I brought Miss Paula today. She's going to share her story to everyone out here.
Well, thank you for bringing her. Paula, first of all, you look ravishing. Your teeth look so beautiful, and I know it was a journey for you that you had been wanting for a long time. Can you take us back to what life was like before you saw Dr. Monarres?
A lot of pain.
Really?
A lot of pain, a lot of cost. My journey started in my early 20s. And my teeth just started decaying no matter what I did. Of course, I went to the dentist every 6 months and had the x-rays and the teeth cleaning and the fluoride treatments. And every time I'd go, I'd have another cavity. In the tooth, I had the cavity the 6 months before. I had so many root canals, so many bridges. I had root canals that cracked and the tooth would have to be extracted. And just by the time I saw Dr. Monarres, I had spent over $50,000 on my dental work. Wow. And the pain was unbearable. I lived in pain. And yes, you get bridges and crowns, but when you least expect it, a bridge will pop off, a crown will pop off. And when I was at the dentist the last time, I was told I needed to spend $20,000 more for these 5 bottom teeth. And I had asked the dentist, I was seeing 4 different dentists at the time, and I had asked them, I said, what about that all on 4? I just don't want these teeth no more. They hurt, they cause me pain, and I was told, you don't want that. You don't want that. It's gonna, your mouth, they can't fix it to where it fits the shape of your mouth. You're gonna feel like your mouth is full of teeth. And I go, well, there has to be something out there. And I saw him talking from Stone Ridge Dental. And I thought, there is hope out there.
And so you reached out to him.
I went. And I knew when I put my hand on that door to his building, my life was going to change. I could cry, and then I have seen him with tears in his eyes because he's so happy for me.
Yeah, it means a lot.
It does. It does.
Well, you can't really eat food without your teeth.
Nope.
You can't smile, you can't do those things. So,
no.
Dr. Monarres, if people want to reach out to you, they're in a similar situation as Paula, all they need to do is give you a call, right?
Absolutely. You know, for all those people suffering at home, I want to let them know that there's hope, and they shouldn't be afraid to come and let us chat with them. There's a link on the screen, and we'd love to help them and talk about their situation. There's a free consultation for the few callers that see this, and we'd love to help them smile again, like Paula.
Oh, I promise you won't regret it. You will not regret it. It's the best decision you will ever make in your life.
Well, thank you both so much for being here with us, and I'm really happy for you, Paula.
I am too.
Thank you.